Hi Year 3, welcome to today's maths learning. We're going to be subtracting on a number line, but with two digit numbers today. So the gems that you're going to need to use are Sapphire to stay focused through the video and through solving your own problems. And you're going to use lots of Pearl Power to make links to what we did yesterday. I've got my whiteboard and my 2 pens ready. I've got my maths brain ready. I'm now wondering, are you ready?
Okay, the first problem we're going to start with is 47 subtract 28. So I'm going to draw my number line. Remember what we said yesterday about which end of the number line we need to start. I'm going to give you a moment now just to have a think. Do I start at the beginning of my number line or do I start at the end of my number line? I start at the end of my number line. The reason is because we are subtracting, we are counting back. I always put my biggest number at the end of my number line because that's the number I am subtracting from. It is very similar to what we did yesterday. I'm going to start by looking at my ones. I know I need to get to my previous 10. That means I need to get rid of those 7 ones. I need to subtract them. So I'm going to look at the ones over here in 28. I've got 8 ones. If I want to get rid of 7 of those ones, that will take me back to my previous 10. But I also don't just want to take away 7 ones. I want to take away 8 ones altogether. So I know that I'm going to need to take away another 1 because 7 and 1 make 8. Now, it doesn't really matter whether you decide that you want to take the 1s or the 10s away first. I'm going to start with the 1s for this example. So I'm going to take away the 1s over here, these 7 1s, because I want to get to my previous 10. So that seems like the most logical and sensible thing to do. 47 take away 7 will take me to my previous 10, which is 40. I'm then going to take away my 1 so that I can take away 8 altogether. I know that 10 take away 1 is 9, so 40 take away 1 must be 39. Well, you can see that now I've taken away 8, but I want to take away 28. So I can do one big jump and take away that 20. Now I know that I'm not doing anything with my 1s because I'm not taking away any 1s. So I'm just going to look at my 10s. I know that 3 subtract 2 is 1. So 30 subtract 20 is going to be 10. But because I've got these 9 1s, it's not just going to be 10. It's going to be 19 because I don't need to take away any of those 1s. I can keep them there. Okay, I'm going to start by drawing out my number line. Remembering to start at the end of my number line and using 64 because it's the biggest number. I want to get rid of those 4 1s because I want to get to my previous 10. Don't just want to take away 4 1s though. I want to take away 8 1s. So, what other number do I need? 4 and what make 8? You're right. 4. Okay. I'm going to take away the 1s first. This time. So I'm going to take away 4. 64 take away 4 is 60. That's 1 of my numbers gone, but I've got another 4 that I need to take away. I'm going to use my number bonds for this one because I know that 10 take away 4 is 6. So 60 take away 4 must be 56. I've now taken away 8 ones. But I've still got this 20 to take away. So I'm going to do a big jump and subtract 20. Remember, I don't need to change my ones because I'm not taking away any ones. So those 6 ones stay. 5 take away 2 is 3. So 50 take away 20 is going to be 30. And because I haven't taken anything off of the ones, it's going to be 36. I'm going to show you another example. 55 subtract 36. Am I going to start at the start of my number line or at the end of my number line? Also, which number am I going to start with? Just have a think. I'm going to start with 55 because that is my biggest number. That's what I am subtracting from. I want to get rid of these 5 ones because I want to get back to my previous 10. So remember, I need to look at this number here. I've got 6 ones here. I'm going to take away 5 of those. I don't just want to take away 5 though. I want to take away 6. What other number am I going to need? 5 and what? Make 6. 5 and 1 make 6. Okay. I said to you last time, it doesn't matter whether you start with the 10s or the 1s. When you're using a column, you always need to start with the 1s. Because we're not using a column today though, it's okay to start with the 10s first. So I'm going to show you that way, in case you decide to do it this way. I've got 3 10s. That means I'm going to need to take away 30. Remember, I'm not taking anything away from my 1s at the moment. My 1s are going to stay the same. So 5 take away 3 is 2. 50 subtract 30 is going to be 20. But it's not just going to be 20 because I've got these 5 ones over here. I've not subtracted anything from those 5 ones. So those 5 ones need to stay. Now, I've got the ones to take away. I'm going to start with this 5. It's easier to start with this number because this one ends in a 5. And remember, I want to get to my previous 10. So I'm going to take away 5. 25 take away 5 is going to be 20. Don't just want to take away 5 though. I want to take away 6. So I still need to take away this 1 here. 20 take away 1 is 19. So 55 take away 36 equals 19. Remember, keep watching this video if you need it to help you. If you're still finding it really tricky, then ask a grown-up to email us and we will get back to you.